Okay, Faye. We are going to your grandmother's theater. She saved us 2 extra seats.
I hope it's Daring Danny X Pipe Pipe, because if it's not, then I don't want to go.
Whatever. We are watching the day Thanksgiving was first celebrated.
Barring. Wait a minute, whispers, I will fart, burp, and giggle about it. Ha ha ha.
You. What is that disgusting smell?
The clouds.
Faye. Faye, I could not believe you farted and burped in the theater. I couldn't even watch the full thing without you misbehaving. That's it. You're grounded for 77,679,373,104 years. And no presents or Christmas things for you for 5 years. Wait, not too short. How about 109 years? Haha.
Whoa, wait a minute. You're grounded too. Because you've been doing bad things ever since, and you won't ground or do anything to you. So I'm grounding you for 122,222 years. How do you like that?
Fine. You're ungrounded.
Really?
No, you're still grounded.
Really?